take your own containers?
No, you can ziplock them all and put this large container and put your ziplock in there. Both edges down, and you go from here to here to here to here. Okay. The next one is maybe the and then you wrap your stuff up in a larger ziplock, put your recipe in there, put it in the freezer as you go around. You have a freezer cubby with your name on it. Freezer section.
So imagine if you make the same things over and over, you get faster. Oh no, it happened to you too?
You lost your money? Oh, I can't stand to see this. It's gonna fall down.
So I imagine you get faster the more you do it.
Right.
Okay, yeah, you memorize the recipe like that.
They have it up here on the board, and 1 scoop, 2 scoops, and then you add this and this. It's all there on the board. Put it away. But you also learn where. Oh, okay. That's where you keep the that's where. Oh, look at it.
So close.
Oh, Eric, can you put your hand up there?
No.
We got one.
I got one, but I want both.
Got one.
Yeah, but I want both.
There's gotta be something we can shove up there. Oh, hey, look, you know what? See this candy cane right here? See how it's bent? It's gotta be. See this candy cane?
Oh, yeah.
Candy cane. Oh, the way
No, see, it's gotta they're smart. They're not gonna fall for that trick.
Right.
They're smart.
Well, see,
Alice is smarter.
They put an extra door. They put a double door on there. Here, I'm gonna try it one more time.
It's so close.
I'm gonna find it.
Maybe someday I'll try it too. Although I'm kind of got it down. I really do.
Yeah. Well, and does Michael help you at all?
He helps me by taking the kids outside and playing with kids. I like to make kids. Yeah. I find it kind of sad.
Well, and you're not commuting as
heavy,
long
that's-
on the road as I am. I'm spending that time on the road.
Right.
And so it's like, oh my gosh. So I
Fail.